What up, what up, what up, what up? We live, we live, we live. We're gonna get ready to get a game plan going, get ready to mark our levels. Today is gonna be a big day for us. I can feel it, I already know it. Alright, we get ready to mark these levels, get everything situated. What the hell is that not on here? Yeah, we back at 60 subscribers. I guess someone unsubscribed. It's all good though. It's all good. Alright. Let's get these pre-market levels set. Try to come up with a little game plan for the day. Interested to see if SPY can bounce to 420 today. Let's see. Wow, 414. I did have a 412 put yesterday. Okay, we gotta make these. So we're making today's pre-market levels blue, and then our other levels from yesterday are gonna be yellow. We gotta change those back. Let me see. It's today's levels, and yesterday's levels we're gonna change back to yellow. Change them back to normal size. Because I like to keep them levels on there, but I wanna know which ones are my levels from today and then other days. Yeah, bump up the size a little bit on these so we know for sure where they're at. Okay, there's pre-market low, pre-market high. Google. Pre-market low. Shit, we're in a 5 minute. Okay, there's that on Google. Qs. All right, we got Q set up. AMD. We got 3 minutes till open. All right, let's get it, man. Let's have a beautiful, blessed day. Amazon earnings tonight. Let me get my brokerages open and set up. right, we live. All right, 2 minutes left. We got SPY, Google, Q's, AMD. If you guys want me to watch any other stocks, I can. Mars down 3%. Wow. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Dollar's falling. IWM. All right, 1 minute till open. Let's check Pfizer, PFE. Ugly. All right, I might short this thing up by this pre-market high. Let's look for. Wait for a bounce first. This thing's already fallen. Would love to get SPY up there at that pre-market high. Excuse me. We're not going to be too picky about where we get it. Load up. One spot, touch that pre-market high. See what keys are doing. Wow, keys above pre-market high. Looking strong out the gate. SPY and Qs, look at that. We're only 1 minute in the trading though. So. I have a 412 call on my small account. Looking to size up more, but I'm going to wait for the first 30 minutes. Let the market find its footing a little. We're up 5% on that play. Hoping we can just see some downside. Let this thing ride it out. Oh, that's a lot of buying right there, man. Q's is strong. I did say we might see 420 today. Wow. This was Monday's low also. It's 417.20, I believe. You get to the daily. I think it's Monday's low. Looks like we're gonna close above pre-market high. Okay. We're gonna try to keep this thing above pre-market high. I'm gonna do a video on demand zones probably in the next day or so. Got to get some more content out, and then a Robinhood tutorial. I don't know if I quite like going short yet. Hopefully there's no problems with the exchanges today. There's the sell-in. Should have averaged down up there, added on. That would have been beautiful. I want to look for the short to size up on it, but I need some more confirmation. Google above pre-market high. Qs above pre-market high. AMD. SPY. This is around where we bounced Monday. Well, now we're in the 416s, but 417.20 is where we bounced Monday, and kind of reversed after seeing a lot of downside all morning. I mean, that would have been a beautiful trade from up there. I would have been all out by now. We're up 5% on our put, 412 put, a couple dollars out the money. Could very well be in the money today. Even though I could be way, the contract's a few dollars out, and I tend to already be out and taking profit. A lot of times the contract I pick does end up being in the money. Need to flip this candle red right here. Just like that. Beautiful. That would have been an amazing short if we could have sized up. I'm going to hold this put for a minute. Where's pre-market at? Wow, look at that. It would have been a beautiful short from up top there. Is that pre-market high? We're up 10%. Wonder if people really start piling in now on this thing. Yep. 20%. That would have been a perfect trade to execute. I wish I would have went heavy. 24%. 26. Might have to take profit in a second. Let's see. Beautiful. 28. Oh my gosh, what a short. 30. 35. Oh my god. It's 35% on this. Still holding at 28%. Um, Damn, that was a beautiful short up there. I just wasn't confident after the buy-in as soon as market opened. 415.90 is where we're bouncing right now. Gotta flip this candle, go down further. Bears gotta keep their foot on their neck. All right, back up 28%. Beautiful. Trying to hold this thing up down here. Look at that bounce. Wow. That looks like a demand zone right there. Let's look at all this buying, and then look at that. Or supply zone. Right back up to pre-market high. Wow. Fuck. Still holding this small 412 put position. We were up 30%. I wanted to take profit there. I was just trying to get one more candle out of it. Back up 8%. Damn. All right, back up 20. This is a little volatile this morning. We might have some news coming out. We gotta check that. Shit. 10 a.m. We do have some stuff coming out. Fed Waller speech and stuff like that. I should have took that 30%, no doubt. Damn, that's a mean bounce right there. Gotta reject this pre-market high. This is another opportunity to buy puts, average down if you wanted, I'm just not confident in it yet. Like, look at that. I mean, at this point now, that candle's bigger than that one. Oh my God. Volatile this morning, man. Like, just seems like a lot of volume, a lot of, um, where's Fitch? I don't know if I'm confident in the short side or long side right now. Maybe we should average down and grab some more puts up here at this pre-market high. I don't know. Look at that. Like, these candles this morning are just crazy. 251K. Let me refresh this chart. 265K volume. Like, look at that. I think it's the levels we're getting into where it's like, all right, if we go down any further, it could get ugly. Like, we get back into the 400s, under 400s, 390s. Like, we could easily get back up to the 430s, 440s, or we could be down at the 390s pretty quickly in a week or two before we know it. If you make profit on a 0 day expiration early in the day and you're up a good bit, it's always good to take profit on it because it's going to deteriorate, and then you're just sitting there holding it through drawdown. It would have been a perfect spot to grab more puts as of now. Damn it. Beautiful. All right, back up 20%. Back up 20% on our puts. I just want to get down to that 415.90 low a day, take profit. If we can't get down there, then I'll take profit sooner. Come on, baby, let's go. Beautiful. Gotta turn this candle red. Let's step on it. Basically, double top up here. Almost. Back up 20%. Just trying to get that 30% on these. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's really see some downside now. There we go. Come on. Wow, that would have been picture perfect to add more up there at that pre-market high. All right, we got to lock in profit this time. Finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger. Could get balled up again, could bounce. We got filled. think at like 25%, 20%, something like that. Damn. I know them 412s are probably going to be in the money too, especially after retesting up here the pre-market high and not being able to get above it again. So we're probably, unless we just stay in this range for a little while, we're probably really going to see some downside. Damn, man. So I came in today. I wanted to take a like heavy up on some size at with a good setup. The pre-market high the first time, I was a little wishy-washy about it because all this buying in here, and then we see we got some beautiful downside. I would have been all out if I was sized up, maybe one or two runners. So then we get back up there again, and it's just the first 15, 20 minutes, it can be like pretty volatile. You can get smoked really quickly because these candles, there's so much volume that in one of these candles, you could be down your contracts 60%, 75, 100%. Not down 100%, but excuse the dog, man. Damn, man. That was the one up there, the short from up here. The second time around retesting it. That was the one, man. Can we get back up there? We made a newer low already. I wonder if we can get back up to pre-market high again. Looks like SPY's really struggling. Um, Please drop some comments in chat if anyone's in here hanging out. Uh, Drop some stocks. Let me know what you're seeing. was a nice short up there at the pre-market high. Now I'm just wishing we could retest it again to get short. But if we hold down here, we could end up like closing above the pre-market high and being long. So I don't know, but what is this? 417.30 to 415.90. It's about $1.60 move. Excuse the dog. If I ever mute up, it's just because the dog's barking. You guys see this on PFE? Look at that. It's insane. 30.50 to 31.29. It's only $1 move, but like, wow, look at all that green. Let me see how much them contracts are up today. Oh, 50%. Look at that. What did General Motors do? Did they do anything? Fuck. SPY was the one up there, pre-market high. Contracts went from $29, well, like $30 to 60, 70. That was the short up there. When you think you missed a move, though, usually you didn't. Damn, man, this buying, or I mean, this selling. Fuck, that was the one up there on the retest. All right, it's 10 a.m. Fed speaking, data came out. I'm gonna get smoke real quick. Take a minute away from the charts. It's a beautiful retest right here to go short again. Look at that downside. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, we back. Caught about 30% on SPY puts this morning, man. I wanted to take more on this retest, just wasn't confident. Looked like a lot of buy-in. We're looking for more opportunity. Hoping to hold this 415, maybe retest pre-market high again. Would love to see what we could do. Please let me know if you have any stocks you're watching. I mean, we had a great trade this morning. I just wanted more out of it. I was looking to size up. It would have been very nice to catch this again right here. I mean, look at that. We took profit around here. Q's down by pre-market low. We're gonna stay patient. Are they gonna try to push Q's below pre-market low? That's what looks like about to happen. Damn it. Let's check the IWM out. See if they might lead us back to some upside. Oh man, I don't want to play anything going long until, I mean, Qs are holding up this pre-market low, it looks like so far. But there's just barely been any buying today. This damn dog barking. I might have to mute up for a second. There's some buying on Q's. Alright, so Q's trying to hold pre-market low. Still not confident in it. Damn it. That retest on pre-market high on SPY was just beautiful. We got short right in here. Held about here, took profit. Oh man. I don't know what's gonna happen. Looks like we're gonna break this pre-market low. If anyone's in here, drop some stocks in the chat, drop some charts, whatever. Tomorrow's back to break even almost. It was down, what, I think 3%. Oh man. Phoenix now. Let me mute up. Some volume coming in. Looks like we're gonna break this pre-market low, I would think. If we don't, I mean, I'd like that. I would look to go long, but I'm just not confident in it. I need more. I'd love to catch a bounce on here, but everything's so weak, you don't want to be biased and looking for a long and trying to look for a bounce that's just not going to happen. What I would love to get back up here to possibly 417, 418 to make this some resistance, get to the bottom of the range. Shit. Um, Shit. Q's bouncing right off that. I think we're about to break this level. Damn, man. Let's look at the contracts that we had. Let's check our orders. We had a 412 put. sold for 41. See what the 412 puts are worth now. Alright, there's some buying. Okay, they were worth 60. Q's getting bought up. We're just sitting here too long. They're not holding it up that well. Fuck. Look at that. Had it right back down towards it. No, we can do. We can wait to see if we bounce or wait to see if we break below. If we do bounce, maybe look to re-enter. Pre-market high or a little lower. Not worry about getting calls. Just remain short. And grab some 1 day expirations so we have a little bit of time on them. Just not confident in the this resistance right here. They're not able to hold this up. Sometimes you think that you don't have any opportunity because the move has already happened, but you do. You just gotta look for a grade A setup. Damn dog. Fuck. There it goes. It is Thursday. We could trend to the downside all day long. What up? Caught 30% on SPY puts, but I wanted to re-enter up here, so we called it to down here. We're still holding. We ended up getting out right here, but we came up perfectly to pre-market high again. It would have been really nice to add some more, but it was just like really wicky. Price action was a little tricky. Would have been nice to size up, add there, and then we would have been out somewhere around here with 100% trade. Now we're approaching pre-market low on SPY. We just passed pre-market low on Qs. Just I would like to see a nice bounce and then short again. Don't want to go long. There we go. We just need a bounce to possibly get short again on SPY and Qs. Um, SPY trying to hold pre-market low, Qs getting back above pre-market low. I mean, there's some buying. It's the first time we've really seen some buying down here. The calls are very cheap now, like, but I just don't want to enter them. I'm gonna go look at some. I mean, this could be the low of the day, and we could trend up after this. So this could be an area to get some. Look at that. Um, Tax week. Going after work, so I'll be on later. All right. Fucking. There's so much opportunity, man. I wanted it. I was thinking about getting it too. This pre-market high, but like after all this buying and then these wicks, it was just a little crazy. Um, this could be an area to enter short. That's a dollar move just right here, just about, just from here to here. So look for a re-entry on Q puts. We're just looking at our options to see what we could possibly get. I think we're gonna stay patient for a while, let this play out. Q starting to power up a little. There's a bind. That's good. Very low volume now. Fucking dog, man. Fucking swear. Gotta get back up a little higher for us. We gotta stay patient. Fuck. All right, we're short keys, 3-4-4 puts. If we could get to 3-4-4 today, this would be a great trade. Beautiful already. Already up 10%. 13%. Come on, let's get some downside, baby. Let's get some downside, baby. Let's see some downside. Took profit on 2 of those. Shit. Shit, I took profit on 2 of them. Damn, if I still had them other 2 contracts. Would have been nice to still have them other 2. 26% here. We're all out right there, pre-market low. What up, bro? How you doing, man? Finally got some people in here, bro. uh, Look, man. This morning we were short SPY. Fucking. So we got short right here, light size, cause market just opened. I really don't like to trade first 15 minutes, right? Held through this, came back up here, took profit down here. When we were back up here, I was watching these wicks like so closely. I had my finger on the trigger. I wanted to like size up and really get some more puts, and I just didn't, dude. Cause it was just the price action was it was just very wicky. It was like I don't know. I just didn't trust it, man. But like it would have been nice to add up there. Cause look at all this. And even so, when I want to play it a little safer, I'm going to take 1 day expirations instead of 0 days. That way, if you do catch a wrong move and you can afford to hold, and then you still have a lot of potential on them contracts. They could still run 100, 200%, you know. But that's what I should have did up there. It was perfect. Pre-market high. And I did just catch some more puts. I took some 344 Qs, about 4 contracts, right about here. Would have been nice to catch right here, but and then I just took all out. I wanted to have a nice green day, and I just don't trust it. I don't know what's gonna happen, man. Obviously, it would have been nice to hold a little longer, but SPY's approaching pre-market low, so we could see a bounce on SPY again. Where's Meta? Meta's still pretty expensive as far as the contracts go. Crypto is finally down today. I mean, it needed to cool off. Look at Meta, man. I'm not playing with them jacked up contracts. CELH 155 put 125 4 hour turn. What is CELH? Celsius. Let's check that out. My man Sean in here was on the Coinbase the other day. He got the 83 calls when Coinbase was at like $72 and things. I don't know what you bought them for, but I know they ran to like 700, which was like crazy. I think you bought them for like 10 or 20 bucks. I'm pretty sure you did. But yeah, that was insane trade, dude. Imagine just grabbing two of them and then holding those bad boys. What's up with this chart on Celsius, bro? Does this thing not move? Um, Celsius have earnings? No. 2,000%. I could have sworn they ran like 5,000%. I just didn't know what you got in them at there. Before I break the downside, Celsius. Watch out. Um, do I not have a 4 hour? Oh, there we go. Shit. Look at this. Could be double bottom on the Qs. Technology's weak as hell. If Amazon has bad earnings tonight, man, this market's cooked. I was gonna grab some 4 or 5 puts yesterday for Friday or Monday's expiration, but I didn't end up getting them. I would trade Celsius with you, bro. I'm gonna just stay away from it. I'm sure it will probably bank just because I don't take it. uh, What do you think about these Qs, man? What do you think they're gonna do? So is Q's holding? Cause SPY. I just can't believe, dude. Up here would have been a 300, 400% trade this morning. Obviously, I would have taken profit, but well on SPY. Because I wanted that retest, and that's the reason I still held my put, because I still had faith to the downside, but then it started wicking up here, and it's just a little shaky. Yeah, looks messy. It is. So I noticed yesterday, well, I noticed it all this week. I haven't really noticed any chop like in the past few weeks. And then Friday, this past Friday, I noticed there was like a good bit of chop. And then Monday, it happened. And then Tuesday. And then what's today's Thursday. And then I think we had some chop yesterday too. But it was just like I haven't even noticed because I probably would have complained about it if it's happened. I'm sure it has happened later in the day or whatever. But in the morning time, I haven't noticed it often over the past month or so. And then I noticed since Friday it's been happening daily since for at least like an hour. So I wonder if we hang out down here. Um, let's see something real quick. Let's see if we reject right here. Uh, let's see something. I think we reject this right here and go further down. Oh wow, there's some buying on SPY. Look at that, bro. So after the double bottom, it would have been nice to get some calls, but I'm cool on that. I'm cool on that. I'm probably done for the day. Shit. Just mad when you see an opportunity and like earlier this morning and you see what could have been. Let's see if we reject this VWAP up here on the 1 minute. I think it's there on the 3 minute as well. So SPY approaching that. Let's see where Amazon's at. Good thing I sold them 127 calls. I mean, not 127, 140 calls. This thing has been cooked this week, bro. Like, absolutely cooked. Alright, so SPY gonna turn this to some support. Where's Q's? Q's right at the same area, too. Tesla 205 puts. I probably am done for the day because I don't want to do some dumb shit. Because I know like I could be emotional after missing that this morning. Look at Tesla. Look at SPY. Oh my gosh. Look at that, bro. Glad we got out of them puts. Oh my god. Oh my. Appreciate you stopping by, man. I'll probably hang out another 15 minutes. Wow. So what I was looking at a few minutes ago was uh, not trying. The problem is when you have a huge move to the downside, right? for me at least, like, okay, so I'm looking at these contracts and I'm like, all right, is this move to the downside almost done, depending on the level, support and resistance, all that stuff. And then I'm thinking about calls. Well, it's happened numerous times in the past where you're trying to get the best, cheapest price on your calls at the best level, right? So you're kind of biased. Even though we keep going down, you're like, all right, I like this because that means I'm going to get cheaper contracts and possibly more reward, more upside. But sometimes you can be so locked in on looking for that opposite move, and it just never happened, and you buy the contracts and get smoked. And then people could, after this huge move down, could be biased, still trying to look short after it's been such a huge move, and maybe grab some puts right here at the VWAP on SPY, looking for rejection, trying to get the most reward out of it, and then us just break right through there. So it's always important to like remain unbiased. It's hard. That's why this morning I didn't want to go all in on my puts because after we, bounced right here, I wanted to grab some, but I didn't want to be biased and thinking that we're just going to reject that level when we could have easily just held above it or broke right through it. So it wasn't giving me like any higher confidence that we were going to go back down. Look at that, man. Look at that. AMD's cooked down to $95. I'm not trading this shit till it's back above 100. Always fade the first move, wait to retest. Yeah. Um, what if SPY ends green today? I bet you it will, man. That's what's crazy. It's so like, so we're sitting here this morning like, damn, we missed that move, whatever. Yeah, we made a couple nice trades. And then before you know it, SPY's back above pre-market high and green on the day. And then it's like you're sitting here talking or complaining about missing a move that already happened. And before you know it, you watch another move happen, a double bottom, go right back to the high of day. And that's probably what's going to happen. It's probably what's going to happen. So you can't ever, like, even if you're thinking about the move the day before, say we had an $8 move yesterday and you're pissed you missed it, there's going to be opportunities the next day. You just got to be ready for them. Like, look at this. Wow. During the summer, there's so many, like, lunchtime reversals. So around 12:30, 1, every other day, every couple days, twice a week, 3 times a week, there'd be a reversal like that. And then also, you'd get a lot of trend days on Thursdays during the summer. We just trend to the upside or trend to the downside. Look at all that green, bro. So that's a 414.32 to 416.60. So it's a $2.50 move, just about. What's the volume? Let's check the MACD RSI real quick on my other chart. So I've been keeping my other pre-market levels. Today's pre-market is blue. Hold on, my dog might bark. Shit. Today's pre-market levels are blue. Let me mute up one sec. Stupid dog up there barking, man. Like, come on now. But my pre-market levels I change them each day. The blue ones are today's pre-market, and then these other ones are other days, and they work great too. Look at this. Almost at pre-market high already, bro. Are you shitting me? One red candle. Wow. That's how quick things can flip. I'm gonna run my dog out real quick, guys. I'll be right back, then I'll hang out another 10, 15. If y'all are hanging out, I appreciate it. I'll be right back. And we can look at whatever you guys want to. There is some stuff coming out. Shit, wrong thing. 11:30, 11 a.m. There's a couple things. I don't think it's really that important, but it can affect the price action if it's really bad or good. So we'll see on that. Look at this, man. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna mute up. I'll be right back, guys. gonna look at IWM. Possibly look for a low volume pullback on this. Low volume could tell you that's profit taken. Not exactly selling. So see if we can get back in right here. Take IWM long, excuse me. Probably done for the day though. I don't know. Let's see what else is going on. Meta. Let's check out that Celsius that Sean was in. Oh my gosh, if this dog don't fucking stop, man. SPY could break high day for sure. Target would be this 417.80 I have marked. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I want to see if shorts really step in, or if maybe all the shorts took their profits. And since we have that PCE tomorrow, and then Amazon earnings tonight, I'm not playing no Amazon, man. That shit, contracts are way too expensive. We are up 7% on our account today, so it was a great day. Let's see. Let's take a look at some stuff. Let's see what earnings we got today. Let's get Twitter. Dude, if the Ravens get Derrick Henry, it's a wrap. I'm telling y'all that now. These all today. These are before the open. Alright, after close. Amazon, Enphase, Intel. Let's check Intel and Enphase. I played both of them before. Did I play Intel last time? Let's look at what they did last earnings. Huge gap up last earnings. So they went from 34.35 to about like a $3-4 move. We'll check out their contracts. What was the other one? Or that's Intel, EMPH. Up $3 on the day. They could know something. Because everything's red and this is green. This fucking dog, man. Damn. Let's look at the 1 minute while I'm on the daily. Let's check out those contracts. I'm looking to see a correlation in what these stocks do the day before the earnings. SPY dumping. Let's look at EMPH. Yeah, we'll look at the contracts right on the screen. It's at $97. Geez, these contracts are expensive, man. Look at this shit. Look at the IV, 250%. Wow. We're not playing that. What was the other one? Intel. Intel's not too bad. Grab a $37 call, $7. Maybe we'll do that. Was Intel green or red? Intel's red. Last earnings, last quarter we had Roku went crazy, Carvana went crazy. I haven't heard much about Carvana lately. Wasn't Carvana back at like 80, $90 a while ago? Okay, it's at 56. Um, shit. I'll probably wrap up here in a little bit. We'll take a $7, $37 call. Just a little lot of, just to have something, some type of possible earnings play. It's like $5 out the money. So, all right, what is SPY gonna do? Look at Google. Wonder if we hold right here and go up. That could be pretty nice. We rejected VWAP right here on SPY. Um, could be an inside out type of day. I mean, we're just waiting for earnings tonight and PCE tomorrow. All right, we're not looking at any more earnings. Fuck them. PCE tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Hopefully, we could get a nice trend day tomorrow. Might just have to short the bounces, get long the pullbacks. That could be the only thing to do today, really. See if we make this. Shit. Is that going to be some support now? Possibly make a higher low right here. Try to go higher, break above high day, or at least pre-market high. So that's what I'll look for right here. I wonder if we can hold this here. SPY's holding that. I think we're going to get a bounce on Meta. People might get caught in this though. Whoa, look at this cup and handle. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Mm. Um. Wow. SPY rejecting. News coming out? No. What's that? What just happened? Thursday. What time is it? 11:10. See this thing come down to 284. So go long on Meta. Let's see that play out. That could be very nice. All right, let's take this off the chart. Let's take this off the chart. Could hold this 200 MA. Let's see where that lines up on these charts. What are we sitting on? 21 EMA. Whoa, look at SPY dumping. Oh my gosh. A lot of opportunity today. Ton of short side opportunity. Good bit of upside. More short side. Buy down here, sell up here, and your gravy. Today at least. Could have did all those, but I would not have went all in on those. I would have went very light trades. Because after all that buying, you would have thought we'd get above pre-market high. Um, this ain't no damn head and shoulders, is it? Let's check. Not really, no. Meta's holding this. IWM holding up better than SPY. IWM's green on the day. Wow. Okay. That could be an indicator of where SPY and Qs are headed. Let's see if we can get IWM at the same time SPY's down here at this resistance. Will support. I used to love trading IWM. Can be a lot cheaper. Where are we at? Let's see what the dollar's doing. If IWM can come right here. Right, we got IWM right there. While SPY is at pre-market low. And Qs are at pre-market low. At that support. But if we're going to play IWM, we might as well just play SPY or Qs down there at that pre-market low. AMD trying to hold on out here. Nice, bro. Nice. You got the 205 puts 100%. Fire, bro. Be very careful down here, low a day. This thing's probably going to reject. We're going to go down further. Looks like there's some buying there. I mean, you could just get caught either which way. Um, so that's why if you're trading later on in the day rather than at the open, you have all this price action to look at, okay? So we get to identify some things. All right, this is some resistance. Um, 3 times we touched up there just about. This is some support. We've been down here a few times. So are we just going to trade in between here, take calls down here, puts up there? I'm still not confident because the fact that we came back up again, came all the way back down, that might tell me we're going down further. I don't know. Q's at pre-market low. Meta. Let's see Meta. I want to see if Meta holds this right here. Looks like a nice cup and handle on, what was it? 5 minute it was. Now kind of ugly. Probably wrap up in a minute. I want to see, can SPY hold this and we catch some calls? I don't know. Q's right there. Beautiful. Let's possibly try some Q calls. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Light. Let's try one. Couple Q calls. Let's see. Hold on. Take 1 day expiration. Shit, they're expensive as hell. 348 call. That could be in the money. 348.24. 349 call on Qs. See if we got filled. Yep. Now, did we get filled? How the fuck did we not get filled? Come on, bro. Our Intel's already up 10%. It might be good that we didn't get filled. Let's hold on. Let's hold up on that. Alright. SPY looks okay. Shit. Are Q's weaker than SPY then, yeah? Yes, they definitely are weaker. 349. Shit, I need 1 day expiration. Come on, man. Shit. We got 1 day expiration on this so we don't get smoked if we do catch a move down. And you can always hold. You can hold through the drawdown. Might not have been smart to go long just because we touched that near pre-market high 3 times and rejected. Qs are definitely weaker, but this 149 call could be in the money today, or 349 call. Keep eye on yields today as well. Where's dollars dropping? That should be good for us. Volume coming in. Ton of opportunity today. We had two green trades, 30% and a 24% or something. Watching this, we gotta hold this here. Q's gotta go up with SPY. As long as we don't make new low a day, we're gonna hold this. If we make new low a day, we might be out of this. Yep, there's new low a day. Let's get some buying in there, baby. Some volume coming in. I think bears would be taking profit down here with the data tomorrow. And bulls should definitely buy this thing up. We could be back in the 430s, 440s in a week or two. This looks dangerous. Looking for the wick up. No wick up. This could get ugly. Alright, this could get ugly if Q's can't hold on right here. Okay, it's about to get ugly. No? Look at meta. Finger on the trigger with these. We gotta hold up these pre-markets. It's about to get ugly. I feel like it is. Making new lows. There it goes. Fuck. It's about to go. Can we hold up these pre-market lays on SPY? I knew I probably shouldn't enter another trade. Down 15% on these cons. If SPY can't hold this, it's over. I should have looked for the short again up there, because I was complaining about not getting it the second time, and we went right back up there to get it. Gotta hold this thing up. It's struggling now. We need to see that buying like earlier. These things could be in the money by the end of the day, but we just gotta hold this up. Alright, now we're down only 10%. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Almost break even now. What's IWM doing? Yeah, market is definitely killing premium today. Sideways action. Alright, it's gonna get ugly. I feel it. Oh man. Like to see that right there. Close above this. Get a 5-minute close. Trend back up possibly. I don't know. Q's still weaker than SPY. Like, come on, bro. I have a feeling it's about to get ugly. I should probably get out of this. Oh man. Come on, bro. Do something. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We gotta go and run it up. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. I would not trade this anymore today. I would just be super careful. Let's go, baby. Let's roll. Come on. Q's green candle, SPY red candle. Come on, man. Q's trying to gain some strength. Now SPY's acting weak. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Gotta blast above. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're green on our contracts. Shit. Nice short on Tesla, Sean. Beautiful short on Tesla. Let's go, Q's. Come on, baby. Reclaim this pre-market low. I am going to hop off after this trade. We could dump here. Ah, man. If we can make our way back up here, this contract's going to just about double. Let's go. $3.49 call. Just need a $2 move on this thing. I'll be happy. Turning that into resistance. So earlier we did the same thing, just a little higher, and then we made this move back down, huge move up. I want to see if we can get that nice move back up, at least to 415.76, dollar move up. Volume's coming on. I still think this thing could dump if we don't make a move higher soon. Here it comes. wrap up next 5 minutes unless this thing starts to go up. We might just stop out of this thing for like negative 8%. Now we're only down 6%. Let's go, baby. Come on, we gotta get above that pre-market low. Let's go, SPY. Rippy rip. Back to the upside. Come on. Struggling. Q's struggling more. SPY's about to get. Q's has to. Oh my gosh. SPY's trying to pop, but Q's is down here near low day again. That's what happens when you don't need to be in a trade and you take a trade. Good thing we got 1 day expiration because this will be killing premiums. Even if this thing hits negative 30%, I don't know if I'd sit through the drawdown, but with good PCE tomorrow, this thing could very well be in the money. We gotta get going like we did earlier. This could be a demand zone in here because of all these huge candles earlier. There could be a ton of buy orders that didn't get filled. So at this time when they get hit, Qs just can't do shit. Alright. This could get ugly. It's gonna go. I don't think we chop much longer. We're either going down. Looks like we're going down. It's hard to tell. There it goes. We're still green on the day. We're still up 2%. Alright, keys are holding up that low while SPY's approaching its low a day. Alright, it's about to get ugly. Damn it. Are they just gonna hit people's stop losses and take it up? Oh my God, it's a wrap. Is data coming out? We're only down $20 on this contract. Is data coming out? What time is it? Look at that. There's data coming out or something. I'm gonna wrap up on this, guys. I'm gonna set a stop loss or something. Pretty right here. We're not holding this thing lower than that. We do have time on this, so um, we could make some decent money on this contract. We'll see. Shouldn't have entered another trade. Sat in this drawdown, just sitting here like this for no reason. Still had a good day. Green on the day. I think we're up 2% on the account. So, and then our other small account is up like 3%, 5%, something. So the main trade we missed this morning was this second test of pre-market high right there. That's the main trade we missed. We wanted to go short, but it's It's all good. We're holding pre-market left. We can make our way back up there. If Qs can make their way up to 348, this contract will run 100%, I'm sure. So, appreciate you guys joining us. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully end the week strong. PCE data tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Hopefully we can get a nice trend day going tomorrow, trend